Hey guys, welcome back to Restoration Rescue. As you know, we're a restoration channel. We really hate letting things go to waste, so we decided to plant our tree from our Christmas episode. So maybe next year it won't be so Charlie Brown. Well, welcome back. We just wanted to wish you guys a happy 2023 from us at Restoration Rescue and let you guys know that we're a half a day without injury. But now we're gonna head over to the truck and talk about what we did the last time we worked on it. So the last time we worked on it, we came in here and we put this panel, which came off of our old truck, and behind the piece that's probably gonna go right here. And we also knocked out this panel right here and welded in because that goes to this and holds this panel really steady and really tight. So before we hop on and start working, we're gonna come down here and talk about some things. So right here, you can see that this panel has been welded in. And what happened is that because we lined everything up with this panel and our original metal panel, our casting, or not even the casting, but the panel was just a little bit off. And we were about an inch off on this panel right here. So we cut it out, flipped it around, and lined it up so that bolt is pretty much perfect at about 42 inches back to front like it is on our frame. But now we're gonna hop over to the other side and talk about something else. All right, so what we did over here is we came in and we replaced this entire piece right here and bent it over and all the way up here as well. Obviously it doesn't look great because there's a bunch of welds right here, but I need to get a new grinding tip that can get in there and grind that away so it's nice and flat. It doesn't have to be perfect because it is covered up by rubber, but there is one piece right here you can see that is pretty much new metal. Like, can't 100% tell because I grinded back, the weld's pretty good, but there was two holes that were starting right here and rotting out this piece of metal. So I was able to cut it out, and there was a couple spot welds right here that we also spot welded in to a panel that keeps this door frame strong. But we went and replaced it, looks awesome. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over to the other side of the truck and get to work. All right, so we got everything we planned done today, which is very unusual for this channel. So we got the two inner pieces behind this done, welded in and where it needed to go. We have this panel, which we cut out of this truck to check to see rust behind it, which we fixed today. got that back in, and we got this panel, which came off of the other truck because it was good metal, and we want to save as much as we can. So then we have these two patches that need to come in, which I'm going to take care of off channel. We don't really know what we're going to be doing next week's video because there's so much that needs to be done. So you just have to check it out next week. But we have a New Year's resolution for you guys, and ours is to have this truck up and running hopefully very early in this year. If it's not done by next year, that's going to be a huge problem for us. But that's going to be a wrap for today. We're really excited to see you guys next Saturday when we keep hitting it on this truck.